What's up, guys? Welcome to the very first episode of Chef Boy Arie's World. Today we are cooking a corned beef brisket, and we're gonna do it a little differently. We're gonna give a little Western touch, as this is a traditional Irish dish. And we're gonna take this piece of meat that you can get at your local grocery store, comes complete with all the spices you need inside, and we're gonna turn it into a very nice smoked brisket. And all we're gonna need is extra virgin olive oil, some garlic powder, and some pepper. So first things first, we gotta get our grill going. So guys, I've turned on the smoker and I'm trying to preheat it to 250 degrees. But I haven't used the smoker in a long time, and it's been sitting out in the rain, in the elements. And I find out that it's not lighting, so we have to go to plan B. When your electric smoker doesn't work, plan B. All right, so while we're warming up the smoker, we're gonna open this bad boy up. And we've got about four cups of water here, and we're just gonna rinse off all these spices that came with the corned beef, because we're going to use that to boil our veggies, the cabbage, potatoes, and the carrots. So, just going to rinse off those spices because we don't need them. Okay, now that we got those spices scraped off, I'm going to give it a little pat dry here. You can trim this fat off if you want, but I think in the smoker it'll be good to just kind of drip down, keep the piece of meat juicy. So just one more pat dry. Okay. Hit it with a little EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. And we've got some Cortina olive oil here. So we're just using the olive oil to bind the spices, and we're keeping it super simple today. Some pepper and some garlic powder. Oh yeah. That right in, fat side up, because we want all that goodness to melt down. We got a probe here that we're gonna stick in the center. .54 degrees, we're shooting for 165. So just set that right there. Alright guys, temperature is 167, so it's time to pull it and see where we're at. Here we go. It's been about roughly an hour and a half that it's been smoking. Oh yeah. Look at that baby. Looks quite nice. Alright, so what we've got here is, we're gonna set that right there, but we've got some tin foil with some butter and some maple syrup. We're gonna set this on there and we're gonna finish it off in the oven. Okay guys, I kind of messed up because I forgot to hit record because it's my first video, but we put the corned beef in the foil on top of a layer of butter and maple syrup. And then what I didn't catch the first time was I put some more butter on top and then layered in another drizzling of maple syrup, as well as putting the probe back in because we want to pull it around 200 degrees. But we're going to finish it off in the oven now at 250. But we got to seal this foil as tight as we can. Especially around the probe area right here. Just try to seal it. And I think now we're good to go. We are good to go. Let's go. All right, guys. We're set at 250 degrees. So now let's put this baby in. Here we go. Right in there. Of our meter out there, thermometer. Okay, we're gonna pull it at 200 degrees. What's up guys, welcome back. It's time to check on our Welcome back guys, it's time to check on our Irish corned beef. Let's see how it's doing. Got 8 more degrees to go. And so while that is finishing up in the oven, we gotta do our vegetables. Get them ready. Alright, so we are ready. We got the potatoes, the carrots, and the cabbage. And we're 4 degrees from pulling the corned beef out of the oven. Alright, Now that those have been boiling like not 5 minutes but 10 minutes, we're going to add in the potatoes now. And then repositioning. We're going to boil the potatoes and the carrots another 10 minutes. Okay guys, we got the carrots and the potatoes boiling, and now we're going to pull the corned beef out of the oven because it's close enough, because we want to eat tonight, and we got to let it rest 1 hour. So it's at 196 degrees internal temp. So we're just going to pull it. Ooh, hot potato. So we're just going to let it rest for an hour. It's an eternity. Okay, now that potatoes have been boiling with the carrots for 10 minutes, time to add the cabbage. I'm just gonna layer it in there. It might not even fit, but just put as much as we can in there. Okay. Alright, so doesn't really close, but that's okay. We'll let it boil for about 5 minutes and then we'll shut it off. Ooh, alright. That is looking, it's getting there. So now that's been boiling for 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and shut it off and cover it, because we still got some time to wait on the corned beef still. About 40 minutes still. So we'll catch you in 40 minutes. All right guys, it's been about an hour. The meat's been resting and it's time to open her up and see what she looks like. Let's go. Look at those juices. Let's pull the thermometer or the juices over here into this porridge. Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, now we're gonna take our serrated knife, and I think the grain is going this way, so we want to cut against the grain.
What spices did you put in it?
Oh, look at that. Look at the juices there. Can you see the juices running?
Yeah.
There she is. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, let's give it a try. Go for this end piece right here. Ooh, get some nice fat there. Get some of this pepper and the garlic powder seasoning on top. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's good. That passes the Chef Boy Arie test for sure. Not too salty, just right. Now let's plate it up. Right. Let's get a little plate next in here. Some cabbage. missing here? We're missing something. Let's go over here. Alright guys, we're done. And thank you for making it this far in the video, and now it's time for the real taste test. Let's go. Get a little bit of everything here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the bite right there. That's the bite. That's probably the best corned beef I've ever had. It's just right. It's not salty. All we added was pepper and garlic powder, and it is so good, guys. See for yourself. And thank you again for making it through this video, my very first video of all, the first of many, hopefully. And if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and we'll get to the next one. Thanks, guys.